Pallidus served as an Astartes of the Blood Angels of the Sword of Baal. Gifted with a calm demeanor and cold analytical mind, Pallidus would serve his chapter as a reliable and measured warrior, aiding his battle brothers during their assault of the Hive City of the world of Naiades. Pallidus would with blade and bolter carve a path through the cults of the Devourer. Finding Captain Orfeo at the base of the Tower of Naiades, Pallidus would be amongst the Astartes poised to purge the foul Xenos from the tower's apex. Amongst the final assault of the Patriarch's domain, Pallidus would be the first to fall at the hands of the Tyranid Overlord. His defiant spirit and example for all Astartes of the Blood to follow, his duty to his chapter and his blood shed, honored by his brethren.